Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to download myWisely application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Go ahead and open your App Store to get started. In the search box, type in myWisely and search. Go ahead and look for this myWisely mobile banking application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. With the myWisely application installed on your device, you can track your spending, set budgets, transfer money, view pay history, deposit checks right from your mobile devices. So that is how you can easily download myWisely mobile banking application on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.